Hi, this is Emil Robin of Class 6. We are performing a songs with the names of 28 states and its capitals of our country, India.
Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Bihar, Patnayum, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Maharashtra, Kunda, Mumbai, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Goa, Panaji, Paschima Bengal, Kolkata, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Sandipur, Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Telangana, Hyderabad, Kerala, Thalasthanam, Thiruvananthapuram, Haryana, Punjab, Thalasthanam, Chandigarh, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Ningal, Marandidalle, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Himachal Pradesh,